Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Staycoppinkicks. My name is that dude Curtis. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me, and I appreciate that. If you enjoy my video, please like, subscribe, and share. And with all that said, let's get into the video. So with Michael Jordan's new documentary airing called The Last Dance, I decided it would be a good time to do an unboxing on these couple items that are related to the early part of the documentary. You know, in a manner of speaking. And you'll see what I mean in just a moment. I've had these items for a little while. I just hadn't opened them yet. So let's get into the unboxing. This first box is a standard Please Rob Me Nike box. Just do it on the label. So let's go ahead and open it up, take a look at what's in there. So as you can see, we've got the black with the gold Jumpman Jordan Retro box. This is the box that they switched to around, I think around the 30th anniversary. So pretty much anything that came out during that time had this box, and then afterwards they used it as a standard box for So what Jordan. We have in here first is the Air Jordan 1 Mid in the bread colorway with a slight twist. It's got a black toe on it. So these came out a few weeks ago, I believe, and when the colorway was first shown off, a lot of people were going crazy over it because it was almost the Chicago colorway with the black and red paneling and everything. Like I said, the only thing that's different from the standard Chicago is the sole is red on the regular Chicago colorway, as well as the toe area is white. So a lot of people were hyped for these to be mids, but then of course there comes in the mid hate. So we're going to do some comparisons. I'm going to put this next to some of my highs I have behind me, and we're going to see what they look like. Overall, it's not a bad shoe to me. I like the design. I do like the black toe, and I like the black outsole. The LA to Chicago SB Jordans that came out that had the fading colorway, they did have a black outsole like this with the Chicago blocking. They had a regular white toe once you got the coloring off, but I like the black outsole. I really don't see much of why people just hate the Jordan mids. The material, I mean, it's not the same type of leather and everything clearly that they use on the regular OG highs, but it's not bad, not at all. I do will say the Jumpman branding does look a little weird on the mid, and maybe that's just me. This isn't the first pair of mids I've had in my collection. I think maybe if they just made it a little bit smaller and kind of mimicked the size of the tag on the standard OGs, that maybe people would have less of a problem with it. But overall, I mean, I think it's a clean shoe. If, you know, I was looking for basically this colorway and I couldn't get the regular ones, you know, I'd happily use these as a substitute. I'll probably cop a pair for my daughter, maybe, as well as my wife, because she likes Chicago's, and, you know, right now it's really hard to get any of the classic Chicago until they re-release them. So, I don't know. We'll see. On to the next box. Now, this next box is much more discreet. It's all brown. There's nothing, even the label doesn't say what company it's from. This is the way boxes need to come. So Nike, if you're watching this video, from now on, please start sending you boxes like this again. This whole just do it tape, all it does is breed people stealing your stuff. You know, not everybody can have their things delivered to their offices or post office boxes, or just have secure delivery. So it's much better if you just get rid of the Just Do It tape, nobody cares, and go back to the old style boxes, much safer for your consumer. So this is actually a Jordan 1 Wings backpack. So you see why I themed it with those mids. So again, it's got the Chicago, or in this situation, they braid colorway with that black and the red. This book bag it's actually pretty nice. The leather feels pretty good actually. It's got a slide in the back for a laptop. Nike Air branding on the strap on one side, Jordan branding on the other. Of course, it's got the big the big Wings logo across the front with the Nike Air. Like I said, together they pair well. So after looking at the book bag and the mid Jordan 1s, what are your thoughts? Are you planning to pick up any Jordan 1s in the mid size? Do you like the mids? And if you don't, break down why you don't like them. Anyway, it's been real. You guys have a good one.